Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to break down a trade that's going my way right now, and I'm deciding should I just get out of it or should I leave it on until the end of the week. I'm selling vertical spreads, so I'm selling call options on Meta. I put the trade on Friday. I have a video here about it if you want to see it. And essentially, it's just now it's Monday, so it's only been like one day, just the weekend, and I'm already up over 50%. I have a max potential profit of 351 and I'm up like 211 or something. So very simply, Meta is super overextended. Now it's had a really great run. I think long-term Meta could be a great trade, but typically when things get super overextended beyond this blue line, which is called the Bollinger Band, it wants to come back in and calm down a little bit. So I sell calls up here. So on Friday, I sold the call, and this blue line is showing profit potential. I have max profit of 351. I actually get a credit into my account when I'm selling the options. I sell an option that's closer, and I buy one that's farther away from the strike price or from the current price, and that actually gives me a credit. So I have multiple ways to win when I trade this way. Whereas when you buy an option, you only really have one way to win. The chart needs to do exactly what you needed to do, and it needs to go up right away if you buy a call. So here, I actually can set a price slice, and I can actually see the percentage of probability of success. So here on the blue line, it starts to my profit potential wanes, and past the red line, I actually start to lose money. So keeping within max potential profit, because right now I'm up $208, you can see here. I'm wondering, is it worth it for me to stay on and make an extra 150 or 140? So I have an 88% chance of success here. And you can see out of the one standard deviation, which is the gray marked box, my stop loss isn't even within the expected move. So that's amazing as well. Another thing to kind of help out with probabilities is you can look at an average true range, an ATR of a stock. It can only move, or normally moves, about $7.69. Today it's only done almost $5, so it's only moved about 64% of its potential. And we can see here on the 15-minute, it's really starting to get weak, and the market overall, this is the SPY, is just kind of range bound. So for me, I have now an 89% chance of success. This trade is only going to be on until February 10th, till the end of the week. It's Monday. It probably makes sense for me to just leave this on for 1 or 2 more days and kind of see what happens. Now there's an 11% chance that this Meta could absolutely rip up and go beyond. But I would say overall, the probabilities are definitely on my side that this will continue to fall or at least stay in the range that it's in right now. So I think I'm going to leave this trade on for another day or two and see if we could get a little bit more. And as we see here, this is today's date. We go forward a little bit, I have a 91% chance. We go forward a little bit more, I have a 94% chance. And if price does end up kind of coming down to 182, 183, 184, something like that, in a couple days, I could actually take the profit of 300 and be a lot more satisfied with that than the 200 I'm at here. So you can see that this is a really helpful way to actually analyze trades rather than get all emotional about it. Oh, I think this, I think that. Well, no, I can actually sit here and actually see the probabilities of me being successful and use that instead of emotions. So if this is something that interests you and you're kind of like, oh, what's he talking about? I'm trying to break it down simply here, but I know that it can be confusing. So if you're interested, comment below, throw me a like, and if I start to see interest, I can do more videos on this. I do have a bunch on my channel already if you want to check them out. I hope you found some interest in this. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll catch you on the next one.